What is the national bird of India? We all know that it is the peacock. But do you know that in 1963, when peacock was nominated to be the national bird of India, there was one more bird in contention. And do you know that that other bird was not selected because of a name related risk, the risk of name being misspelled and therefore misunderstood. We all know that in India, naming is very important. For a newborn, we take a lot of time to get its name right. We find the auspicious time. We invite all the great people to ensure that the kid gets its name absolutely right. Similarly, in a business, people are very, very obsessed with getting the name right. I'll give you an example. Some 6 or 7 years back, Tata had launched a car called as Tata Tiago. You know what? Just 1 month before the car was launched, its name was something else. It was called as Tata Zyka. And you know why Tata had to change the name? Just around the time the car was about to be launched, the entire world was affected by the Zika virus. And therefore, Tata did not want to risk launch of a car with a name associated with the virus which had resulted in the death of lots and lots of people. And Tata had to change the name. For a car, you can change the name. For the national bird, we have to change the bird itself. So what is that bird which was there in contention with peacock to be the national bird of India? It is called as the Godavan. The Godavan was nominated to be the national bird of India by the great Salim Ali, the noted ornithologist of India. Remember, he was also called as the Birdman of India, and he was the inspiration for the character played by Akshay Kumar in the movie 2.0 headlined by Rajinikanth. Now, what is so special about the bird? This is probably the heaviest bird that can actually fly. And more importantly, Godavan was among the most indigenous birds. And today its population is less than 200. Why? Most of these birds are getting hit on the roads, affected by overhead power lines, they are all killed. It's on the verge of extinction. Having said that, why was Godavan not selected as a national bird and why was peacock selected as a national bird? What played in favor of peacock was the fact that peacock was spread across the country and it also had a serious religious significance in our country. It was the preferred Vahana of Lord Muruga, also known as Lord Kartikeya in northern parts of India. And as I said earlier, there was one more reason which played against Godavan. You know what exactly is that reason? The risk of its name being misspelled. What is there in Godavan to be misspelled? It is not in Godavan, but its actual name, the Great Indian Bustard. And you know what exactly is the risk? I really don't have to explain that. Similarly, you also had yet another issue with another car manufactured by Skoda, which was discontinued. If you know that car, please do share its name in the comment box below. For more such interesting videos, please do subscribe to our channel. And if you love this particular video, please hit the like button.